Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert a double-sized web shape in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show insert a double-sized web shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a shape option. Now choose a double size web shape. Now draw a shape. Now going to the shape fill option. Now choose color. Now paste from the curve. That it's. Then you can see insert a double sized web shape in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.